Oasis by Emaar. Welcome to this brand new exciting lagoon project full of townhouses and villas here coming to this area on our right hand side. So to give you guys some bearings as you're watching this video, on our left hand side is Jumeirah Golf Estates coming up, and then also you will also see Tilal Al Ghaf coming up shortly as well on our left. But on our right hand side, all of this plot of land here is going to be the new exciting project of townhouses and villas by Emaar. So what exactly is coming? So we've got villas, standalone detached villas, which you'll see the prices in the description below of this video, and those are 4, 5, 6 and 7 bedroom villas all the way up to waterfront mansions. And you can actually even, oh, how beautiful is that? You can actually see the camels right now at the lagoons. So of course there'll be different lagoons because they'll be with beach and you'll be able to swim in them, just like lagoons that we have all over Dubai. So those will be launching first, and the launch date is estimated middle of July. You have my WhatsApp number and telephone details at the bottom of this video, so you can get in touch with me to make sure you book your place in the queue. And all you will need is, we call it an EOI, an expression of interest, and also we are taking a check copy for a deposit. So you can give me a call and we can chat about how that works. Now we will also have townhouses, 3 and 4 bedrooms. Those will start probably around about just under 3 million dirham in pricing. So if you check out to our left, you've got Jumeirah Golf Estates coming on. Sorry, that's already there, Jumeirah Golf Estates. And then if you just have a little bit more bearing as well as to this location, straight ahead, those tall white buildings, they are Damac Hills 1. And now if you come round to the left hand side here, you'll start to see the cranes, and those are the cranes in the new Majid Al Futtaim project, Tilal Al Ghaf. So there you have it. You can see Tilal Al Ghaf over there where all the cranes are, and that's also another lagoons project. So you've got Tilal Al Ghaf on your left, and then you've got the Emaar Oasis on your right. And as we head straight down here, you will see straight ahead Damac Lagoons, which is coming on our right. And then as far as you can see, the tall white skyscrapers are Damac Hills 1, with on our left Tilal Al Ghaf. So for those of you interested to know more about the location, how it looks, this is the location. It is a very, very up and coming residential area. So as a tourist, you probably would never come to this part of town. But as a resident who wants a villa and a home for your family, this is very much where you would come. So on our right here is Damac Lagoons that is being built. On our left, Tilal Al Ghaf. So thank you so much for watching this video. It's short and sweet because this project has only just been announced. It is not launched until mid-July. So the only details we have is what type of property. We have an approximate price, payment plans, we have an approximate idea, because of course this is all the information we get on launch. So look at the description in the video below. You'll see my WhatsApp number. Let me help you get in the queue, and let's make sure that you secure your brand new Emaar home. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like this video if it was of value, and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you. There'll be more updates on the project well before.